I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your audio and Word environment. Make sure your microphone is allowed and tested, then open Microsoft Word. Once done, choose Home and pick Dictate for live speech or Transcribe to upload a file. Transcribe accepts common formats like MP3 and WAV. You do this because Word's online transcribe creates timestamps and speaker segments automatically. Make sure to accept any privacy prompts and confirm your account sign-in. This lets Word process the file in the cloud and return an editable transcript. Once the draft transcript appears, you move into cleanup mode. Play each segment and correct misheard words directly in the panel because automatic captions often misinterpret names or technical terms. Make sure to merge short segments or split long ones so sentences read naturally. You should also add punctuation and speaker names where needed. This improves readability and future searches. Use find and replace for recurring mistakes, and apply headings to group sections. This organizes the text for clients or further editing. You finish by inserting the polished transcript into your Word document and applying styles so it's presentation ready. Once formatted, save a versioned copy and export to docx or txt and generate a PDF if you need a non-editable shareable file. If you notice poor transcription quality, address one key troubleshooting tip. Check audio clarity, background noise, and low volume reduce accuracy, so reprocess after noise reduction or re-record noisy sections. Finally,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.